Okay, I have a US lock KIK 6-pin. The lock does work. Okay, we are locked up. This is the bitting on the key. The last pin sets right on the tip end of this key. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and we'll use this pick. Might have to change picks before it's over with. Let's go to the back. Okay, we got just a little bit of faucet out of pin 6. Okay, we got a little bit more of a faucet out of pin 5 then, I believe. We did say an easier lock, didn't we? Okay, I believe it was pin 2. Then pin 3 gives us a false setback then. Okay, let's try a little bit deeper pick now. Okay, there was a little bit on pin 3, I believe. Okay, got pin 3, I believe, set. Got a little bit more on pin 2. See if it'll set. Okay, and it's open. Okay, let's see what kind of pins are in this lock. See if we can get the clip off. There we go. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to have to shim this. And let's use this little piece of copper tubing. Okay, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6 are all standard pins. Nothing has been done to the plug. It's just a standard plug. No threading or counter milling. Okay, let's see what kind of pins we have in the top. Okay, we have a standard pin on number 1, spool on number 2, spool on number 3, spool on number 4, spool on number 5, and another standard pin on number 6. So we have 4 spools and 2 standard on the top, and all the standard factory pins on the bottom. See if we can get a little bit closer look. Okay. Alright, please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And I appreciate your time, and thank you very much.